Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 6 phone. So this is how it came. So this is what the phone looks like. It's a flip phone, so you can actually fold it, and then it came with a clear casing, a clear case. This is the clear case to protect the phone. So I'll just show you. So this is for the back. This is the back. And then this is for the front. It also has the pin to open up where you have the SIM. It's a one SIM phone. However, it's a one SIM phone. However, it has an eSIM, so that is one thing that I like about the phone. So this is how the surface of the phone is. It has a clear screen, and when you close it up, this place is also visible. It came with a power cord, and depending on where you buy from, you can be given gifts. So this power bank came. One unique thing about this phone is a brighter screen with enhanced camera system. And like I said before, it's a flip phone, so you can fold it. Isn't this lovely? So you can